Ever wondered how hackers manipulate ARP tables to intercept traffic? Today, we'll dive into a Poison ARP lab and analyze it step by step using Wireshark.
Poison ARP attacks exploit trust in network address resolution, and Wireshark analysis is crucial for detecting and understanding these threats in real time. Together, they reveal how attackers manipulate MAC IP mappings to intercept or disrupt traffic, and how defenders can trace and respond.
We start by capturing packets on the interface ENP20. Just hit the blue shark fin to begin, and after 5 seconds, stop the capture. Here is how you go about it. From the Favorites bar, select Wireshark. Maximize the window for better viewing. Under Capture, select ENP20. From the menu bar, select the blue fin to begin a Wireshark capture. After capturing packets for 5 seconds, select the red box to stop the Wireshark capture. ARP. This narrows down the view to the exact packets we need. To filter for only ARP packets, go to the Apply a Display Filter field, type ARP, and press Enter to only show ARP packets. Now get to the Info column and focus on the lines containing 192.1. Now let's check on the identifying the first responding device. Notice the MAC address 00001B112233. This is the legitimate responder. But wait, there's a duplicate response. This one claims the same IP but with a different MAC 00001B332211. That's the poisoned ARP entry. This is how ARP poisoning works. The attacker tricks devices into associating the wrong MAC address with an IP, enabling traffic interception or redirection. A common mistake is confusing IP addresses with MAC addresses. Always remember, ARP resolves IPs to MACs, so the correct answers are hardware addresses. So we identified the legitimate MAC, spotted the poison duplicate, and understood how ARP spoofing works. Wireshark makes these attacks visible, and that's your first step in defending against them. Now let's get to answering the questions before submission. The first question was, what is MAC address of the first responding device? The answer is MAC 00001B112233. The second question, what was the MAC address of the duplicate responding device? The answer is 00001B332211.
If you found this breakdown helpful, hit subscribe for more cybersecurity labs and tutorials. Let's keep learning together.